Welcome back. I am Muhammad Mairaj, and today we are solving a classic derivative problem using one of the most important rule in calculus, which is called the product rule. So the function is y equal x power 2 and e power x. So since this is a product of two functions, so we will use the product rule, which says that d over dx of two functions u and v. This is equal to the derivative of the first function times the second function plus the first function times the derivative of the second functions. So here let u equals x squared and v equal e to the x. And then we differentiate these two functions. So u prime equal 2x and v prime equals e to the x, right? And then we substitute it into this formula. So d over du, d over dx. This would be equal to u prime, which is 2x, into v, which is e to the x, plus u into v prime. So our u is x squared and e to the x. So then dy over dx would be equal to, we can take the common e to the x into x squared plus 2x.